Welcome to our instructional video on how to solve inequalities. In this video, we will be solving the inequality -6f plus 3 is less than 15. We will provide step-by-step instructions on how to find the solution in both inequality and interval notation forms. Let's get started. In step 1, we start with the inequality -6f plus 3 is less than 15. Our goal is to isolate the variable, which in this case is f, on one side of the inequality. First, we need to remove the constant term on the left side of the inequality. The constant term here is 3. To do this, we subtract 3 from both sides of the inequality. So -6f plus 3 minus 3 is less than 15 minus 3. This simplifies to -6f is less than 12. In this step, subtracting 3 from both sides helps us begin isolating the variable f by eliminating the constant term from the left side. Remember, whatever operation we perform on one side, we must also perform on the other side to maintain equality. In step 2, we take the inequality -6f is less than 12. We need to isolate f completely. That means we need to get f by itself on one side of the inequality. To do this, we need to divide both sides of the inequality by -6, which is the coefficient of f. Remember, whenever we divide or multiply both sides of an inequality by a negative number, we must reverse the direction of the inequality to maintain its true relationship. So, we divide both sides by -6. -6f divided by -6 is greater than 12 divided by -6. This simplifies to f is greater than -2. Now let's write the solution in interval notation as well. Since f is greater than -2, the interval notation for this inequality is open, parenthesis -2, comma infinity, close parenthesis. Thus, the solution to the inequality in inequality form is f greater than -2, and in interval notation form, it is open parenthesis -2, comma infinity, close parentheses. And that completes the final step in solving this inequality. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped, and if it did, please drop me a like.